Hello my beautiful dolls and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Esther, where I do a little bit of everything here on my channel. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to achieve this gorgeous, angelic, dewy makeup look while we chit chat. So let's jump into today's video. So here I have my Athena palette I bought off Amazon. Usually when I'm doing more detailed looks or whenever I am wanting to change the color of my brows or do something like that, I'll usually just pick this up because it has everything I need and they're really pigmented and creamy. So if you are a girly that tends to want to change things up a whole bunch with their makeup, I would say this is probably good. I think it was only like $20 too. Yeah, this morning I woke up with the urge to go to Sally's and buy hair dye and bleach and dye my hair, do my brows different. So we're using makeup to fill that void that I have and possibly putting on a wig today. yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to carve out my brows using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Warm. I do want this area to be slightly brighter than the rest of my face. So that's why I'm using this concealer that's a little bit lighter than my actual complexion. Okay, my beautiful dolls, I blended the rest of my face out. And we are going in with our Fenty Beauty foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I have been using my About Face one in a lot of my videos. I love her foundation. The reason that I wanted to do this foundation is because in my past videos, all I have done was the About Face foundation. And don't get me wrong, that foundation is literally heavenly. I absolutely adore it. I just wanted like a little more change, you know? But I really like this one from Fenty. I'm a pretty big fan of it. I got it a few months ago. And I just love it so much. The coverage is really nice. It gives you that skin-like glow. I just want to say thank y'all so much because my channel has been growing like so rapidly, and I just want to say I'm so grateful for each and every one of y'all, especially when you comment on my videos, you like my videos, and you know, I have people commenting and being like, oh, I tried this look out and I literally love it so much. So yeah, I'm just really grateful for all of y'all. I feel like I say this in every video, but I lost my train of thought. I went to Ulta the other day and I did a little bit of shopping, even though I know I shouldn't have, but ColourPop just released a few new products and I couldn't resist and I had to buy it. Just look at this. It is so cute. This is a lip and cheek balm. So it's like a little blush and the color is absolutely gorgeous and I want to use it today. This is in the shade Second Date and I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. It's so pretty and so adorable and I wanted to use it today, so we're gonna use it. I am absolutely obsessed with this blush. Wow, this color is so gorgeous and so easy to work with. Like 2 seconds, boom, blended Ian, you'll have to try this. I would say if you are into the more matte look, this is definitely not for you. It's very glowy, it's very dewy, and it has like a balm consistency. So you might want to stick to your powder for this one. But if you are a dewy, loving girly, yeah, this is for you. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. I need to drink water. I'm over here getting so excited because my cousin's bringing me a coffee and I haven't drank a sip of water. But I did have a carrot juice, which was actually not that awful. My mom made it for me last night and I was like, no, I can't drink that right now. No, I'll drink it tomorrow in the morning. And so I was like, okay, I'll make myself a deal. I can finish this and then I'll have breakfast. So I was like tricking my mind into it because I really wanted hash browns for breakfast. So I was like, I'll finish this and I can have breakfast. And then I was like, and I took a sip and I was like, oh, this is actually not that bad. My mom had carrot, mango, and pineapple. So I know that cookie's not good. Sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna apologize for that one more time. I'm sorry. But yeah, how am I gonna be like, oh, I'm so excited for my coffee and then not drink any water? That's not okay. I feel like that's all the blush I'm going for, guys. I know. What a shock. What a shock. As I apply more blush. Okay. And I've also been really loving just Freckles. I love little Freckles. I watched Culpa Mía y Culpa Tuya. I think that's the first and the second one, right? Well, I didn't even know what those movies were until my sister was like, have you watched these movies before? And I was like, no. And just like, oh my gosh, the second one just came out. We have to watch the first one. And I was like, okay. And just like, but I will warn you, it's like stepbrother, stepsister. And I was like, take it off. But she put it on and I was like, okay, play the second one. Sadly, I feel like I liked the first one better. Like the second one was just like, yeah, it was good, but something about that first one was like, gosh, I'm sorry. No, but I did like the first one. And then the second one, he calls her pecas, no? What are freckles in Spanish? Pecas. What is... Let me look it up real fast. Guys, I'm a no sabo kid. Let's see. Actually, I'll ask Siri. Fuck. Hey, Siri. What is freckles in Spanish? Yeah, peca. That's what he calls her in the second movie. I literally thought I was like gonna put freckles on and I thought of pecas. And then I was like, oh, la Shayla. That second one pissed me off though. Like, don't even play with me right now because what? And now I want the third one, but I know that's not gonna happen anytime soon. And then I was getting on my phone like all this press and like on TikTok, like I was getting all this press about like them not like being friends with each other anymore because during like after the first film, they were like getting it down together. Not like that, like they were just like, you know what I'm saying? And now they're not. And I'm like, what? Like, even though they're like not their characters, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know how actors do it. Like, how you be acting like that and then not be having feelings for each other? Don't even play. Like, you know you got feelings for each other. Don't even lie about it, okay? Oh my gosh. See, like once I get comfortable, I can't shut up, y'all. Like every time like I sit down to film, I'm like, well, and then once I start talking, like I can't shut up. Okay, I feel like I'm kind of losing my mind. Hold on. Next step is going to be bronzer. I don't want to do like a whole lot of bronzer. I just want like very minimal bronzer because I want like mainly to focus on like the blush a little bit and like the dewiness and the glowiness. And I guess that ties into bronzer, but I don't want it to look too muddy, you know. We are going in with our Juvia's Place bronzer. This is in the shade Honey. I like this one. I always forget that I have it, honestly. And I like using the one from, I like using the one from ColourPop better just because it's a lot easier to go in with. Like you literally just twist and then stick. With this one, you dip it in there and then I usually dip off the excess. I haven't actually done this in the past, but I'm like, actually it'd probably be smart so I don't go in with as much product. This is like a really good way to not go in with like such a heavy amount of product after dipping your brush you know, into a certain type of product, or like whenever you apply your foundation onto the back of your hand instead of just pumping it on your face. I always like know these things, I just never do them. Like I'm like, no, I'm okay. Nah, I'm gonna be lazy. I'm just gonna squirt it all over my face. Okay guys, for the under eyes, I'm really not gonna conceal that much because I want to keep this look more dewy looking. We're just gonna go in with a bit of foundation under the eyes, just the same one from Fenty. I'm just focusing it right here. We are going to set with our MAC setting powder, and we're actually going to go in with our powder very lightly because I do want to use a liquid highlighter, and if I put too much powder it's just going to create like this weird cakiness. Now that everything is set in place and we're baking, we're going to move on to the eyes. I want to keep them subtle and simple. So we're gonna use the Pat McGrath's palette. I actually found this at TJ Maxx. So yeah, I think, I don't even remember how much it was, but it wasn't really expensive. And I want to use like these browns right here, probably more so this one. Like I always do, I like packing it here in this area. Next, one of my next videos, I'm gonna do like an eyeshadow look that's like actually good. I saw this girl and she was doing like a makeup tutorial and her eyeshadow was so pretty. I'm like, dang, I really need to get better at eyeshadow because for eyeliner, we're gonna use the Rem Beauty liquid liner. This is in the shade Teddy. I have these new ColourPop liquid highlighters here and I am so excited to try them. I did put a little bit on, like I'm not gonna lie, and I really like it. It's super glowy and it makes me look like a diamond. The only thing is like it wouldn't mix well with like a powder, so that's why I have it here, like where I have that blush. Of course, I am gonna go in with my Too Faced highlighter. She's my baby. I did do a heavy nose contour, but it's okay. That's what I was wanting, like a heavier nose contour. We're gonna go in with the macchiato lashes from House of Lashes. I feel like this just looks like my normal lashes. Oh, but that's pretty. So I'm just doing some finishing touches. As you can see, I did apply the lashes, which I found to literally be perfect. Like this is the perfect fit. And I was testing out what lip to do, but I think this lip is perfect. And I did have somebody comment on one of my shorts, I believe it was on one of my YouTube shorts, and they said that I should try to line my lips, like the actual shape of my lips, and not overline them. I think it did get like overlined a little bit, like right here when I go like that, but I don't know, I like it. Like, it looks good. I feel like sometimes I just like go crazy and I'm like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I feel like this looks fine. Like, I didn't really overline my lips, I don't think. Maybe I'm just like, I got lip blindness or whatever, lip liner blindness. But this is like the actual shape of my lips, so I don't know. We are going in with the one from ColourPop. This is in the shade BFF3. In the inner lip, I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Just a little bit, kind of like dabbing it like this. And I actually really like it. And this is in the shade Pink, which I like. And my lips look good. Like, I don't look overlined, I don't think. I don't know, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If y'all enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bells so you don't miss my next video, everybody. I love you. The lighting just changed. I'm so sorry. I love you all so much. Bye. Mwah.